The overall goal of this procedure is to determine three-dimensional vestibular function in patients with vestibular disorders. This is accomplished by first seating the subject on a motion platform and fasten the seatbelt. Insert scleral search coils onto the subject's eyes in order to measure the vestibulo ocular reflex in 3 dimensions. Use a vacuum pillow and a bite board to restrain the subject. Next, the platform is activated. It delivers sinusoidal and step stimuli in a random order to test the vestibular system in all 3 dimensions. The final step is the offline analysis of the eye coil data to extract the magnitude and alignment of the vestibulo ocular reflex. Ultimately, the gain and alignment of the vestibulo ocular reflex is used to distinguish normal from abnormal vestibular function.
This technique enables us to test the vestibular system in all 3 dimensions. This is a main advantage over existing methods such as single-axis rotating chairs that are used in ENT clinics.
This method provides insight in 3D vestibular function in healthy subjects. In addition, the method is used to study vestibular diseases such as schwannoma tumors, vestibular neuritis and Meniere's disease. Demonstrating the procedure will be Joyce Dits, Casper de Boer, both PhD students, and Johan Pell, staff member within my research group.
To begin this procedure, seat the subject on a chair mounted at the center of a motion platform